Okay, so for our part 3 of applying iterators on ArrayList, HashMap, and TreeMap, we are going to work on our submission section, which is our GitHub demonstration. And so I worked on the unit test, and let me just go over the code again with you guys. I just did some minor UI fixes, just like some basic spacing and tidbits here and there for better visualization, but the code is 99% still the same as we worked on part 1 and 2. And so let me run this real quick here. I'm going to run all the methods using my main. I'm going to call the main, and here we have it. We have a list of 10 random numbers, then the total sum of random numbers, right? The modified list of these random numbers, and we have as well the inventory and our highs and lows temperature data. So our program seems to be working as expected or properly, and this is our unit test. Again, my code will be available in my GitHub account, but so far this is it. These are my test cases. Okay, we have it all. We have it all. And so let me run this. Let's run all our tests. And we have all our tests successfully passing. And yeah, so this is it. This is our program's functionality. Let me clear this real quick here. This is our program's functionality. Yeah. Hold on, let me fix this part here. I didn't fix this. Let me go ahead and see if I can fix this real quick here. Okay, list of 10 random numbers. So that's in the main. Okay. After that, we go to the first. That should be the first method. Just trying to fix something that is bugging me. Let me try something like so some of you probably already know this. There is system.out.println, and there is a system.out.print, right? So there is, as you can see, there is the print line, which is here the ln, and there's just a print. I don't, to be honest, know that much difference between, or how to explain that much of the difference between them. I think one of the main differences that I know is that you can do a system out print line without an argument, whereas for the print you need an argument. Otherwise, I think you could probably like an error or something. Yeah, you get like no suitable method found for print, no arguments. Yeah, that is kind of like one of the main reasons. But anyways, it doesn't really matter. Okay, and let me try this out here. I just want to see something real quick here. I want to fix the spacing, yeah. Okay, let me fix this here. Let me save this in a variable. Print here. Let's go ahead and save that. Okay. Let me add some space here. That was actually an empty string. Let me space over here. Okay. So we got some empty strings here. I mean, we got some spaces here. So this is print total sum of random numbers. Total sum of random numbers. Sum plus equals minus. This is a print num. Okay. So come off and let me add a plus sign here. Okay, not quite as I wanted to show, but it's definitely an improvement. I don't know. Let me try. Let me try maybe an if. Maybe like let's create a condition, right? And let's say if random num is less than let's say, what is this? This is 10, right? So 2, 3, 4. let's say 9. Let's say, let me go for, yeah, like a system. System out. Undeclared random num. Should be. Let me have this inside. And let's try that one more time. Let's try that one more time. Let's say, okay, so this should definitely come out. Helping out, yeah. So we have, let me clear this to understand this one more time. Oh, okay, here we have it. So, there we have it. So if random now, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 36. Yeah. So we know that 4 plus 2 plus 6 plus 5 plus 4 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 and plus 9 gives us 36. So got that correct. And the modified list is 5, 1, 3, 9, which these are odd results, odd numbers. And we have our inventory. I mean, I could probably even just do something like this. It doesn't really matter. I mean, you decide what you want to do. Okay, we're having an error here. 8586. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. So this pulls up a bug. Let me do 10 here. Let me do something like this instead. If not, I'll just remove it because, you know, one of the rules of programming is that if it's not broken, don't fix it. But it's something I could definitely look at it later, but 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Why does it all print 9? This is correct. And this is not correct. Alright, so I'm gonna print this out for now. I'm gonna comment this out, I mean. And I'll work on it later. Or research on it later, I'd say. Let me just see. Bug. And let's go ahead and run our program again. I can do something like this. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 random numbers. The total sum of these random numbers, 40, the modified list, the inventory with the updated inventory. And put this over here. And our highs and low temperature data for and with our coldest month and hottest month. And that is it. Once again, our unit test successfully passing all the all our cases, and yep,